SonaShape is a brand that specializes in shapewear, supportive bras, and body-enhancing apparel designed to combine comfort with a flattering fit for everyday wear. The product range is aimed at individuals who want garments that provide gentle shaping while remaining comfortable enough for extended periods, whether at work, during social events, or throughout daily activities. Rather than focusing solely on compression, many of the products are presented as solutions that prioritize flexibility, ease of movement, and a smooth appearance under clothing. The collection includes various styles, cuts, and support levels, allowing customers to choose products that best match their wardrobe preferences and personal comfort requirements. Because body shapes and expectations differ from person to person, the effectiveness of any shapewear product can vary depending on the individual's measurements, fit preferences, and intended use. One aspect that may appeal to shoppers is the variety of options available within the brand's collection. Customers can often choose from different bra styles, bodysuits, shaping shorts, waist support garments, and other essentials designed to complement a range of outfits. This variety makes it possible for buyers to select products based on specific occasions, whether they need light shaping for casual clothing or additional support for more fitted attire. The fabrics are generally intended to be soft, stretchable, and flexible, helping the garments adapt to natural body movement while maintaining their intended shape. For many users, these characteristics can contribute to greater day-to-day comfort, although individual experiences with softness, breathability, and overall feel will naturally depend on personal sensitivity and expectations. Sizing plays a significant role in the overall performance of shapewear, and SonaShape is no exception. Finding the correct size is often one of the most important factors in determining whether a garment feels supportive or restrictive. Customers who carefully compare their measurements with the available sizing information are generally more likely to achieve a comfortable fit. Those who select a size that is too small may experience tighter compression than expected, while choosing a larger size could reduce the shaping effect. Since every person's body proportions are unique, the same product may fit differently even among customers with similar clothing sizes. This makes proper sizing an essential consideration before purchasing.